how to calculate the cement sand quantity for plastering of a 12 mm thick with 1:6 cement mortar. So for this 12 mm thickness we need to plaster this entire wall. So in order to plaster this wall of 12 mm thick, how much quantity of cement is required, how much quantity of sand is required, this part we have to calculate. So for that I'm going to assume the area of this wall. I'm going to assume the area of this particular wall. So I'm going to assume that as a assume plastering area is equal to 100 square meter. I'm going to, let us consider this is wall as 100 square meter wall of size. For this 100 square meter wall I need to plaster the 12 mm thickness of plaster I need to do. For that, what will be the cement quantity and what will be the sand quantity we need to calculate. So here we have assumed the area as a 100 square meter. So now we need to find out what will be the volume of mortar to complete that. So volume of mortar for 12 mm plastering, so much volume we required of mortar in order to go for the plastering. So what will be the volume we required? So for that I'm going to multiply 100 square meter area into what is the thickness is given, that is 12 mm. It is in the 12 mm. We need to convert it to the into meter. That will become 0.012 meter. If I multiply these two, I'm going to get a volume as 1.2 cubic meter. So 1.2 cubic meter is our volume of mortar for 12 mm cement plaster. So what happens, this is the volume of mortar required for the plastering of 100 square meter. So in order to going for the volume, in order to going for the plastering of this wall, so what happens, certain amount of mortar get wasted. So what amount is going to wasted, that is considered as a around 20 to 30% of the quantity get wasted. So this 20 to 30% is to be added as extra. So add 20 to 30% extra, 20-30% extra to the volume of mortar, to the volume of mortar. Why? Because of wastage I am going to add this 20 to 30% extra to the volume of mortar which we got as this one. So now here I am going to get a total volume. Therefore total volume of mortar is equal to, so I am going to take it as 30% here plus 1.2 into 30% is there, therefore 30 divided by 100. So what will, if I go on calculating this value, how much you're going to get, it is around 1.56 cubic meter. So this is your total quantity of mortar required. So this is also called as an wet mortar. So now in this mortar, whatever the volume we got now, in this mortar it is contains cement plus sand, it contains cement, sand plus water, right? So but what we required to find out what is the cement quantity, what is the sand quantity, right? We need to find out the cement quantity as well as the sand quantity. So in order to get that, there is a one condition, that is as 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume of mortar produces 1 cubic meter of 1 cubic meter of wet mortar. So what it means, in order to produce, that is 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume of material produces 1 cubic meter of wet mortar. So how much wet mortar we got? We got 1.5 as our wet mortar. So using this concept, we need to find out what is our dry volume. Therefore volume of dry material required much 1.56 cubic meter 1.56 cubic meter of wet mortar wet mortar. So therefore what we'll do, we're going to multiply 1.25 into 1.56. How you got? Again I'm going to explain it in other way. So what happens in simple way, 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume produces 1 cubic meter of wet volume of mortar. So this means for every 1.25 cubic meter of dry volume which produces 1 cubic meter of wet volume. So how much we got exactly by calculated the total quantity? It is around 1.56. For 1.56 cubic meter of wet, all these things are same. How much dry volume will be there? Let it be x. So if I cross multiply, your x is equal to how much? 1.25 into 1.56. So the same, whatever the calculation partner, here it is written. See, 1.25 into 1.56. So now if I multiply this, how much you're going to get? You're going to get as how much? You're going to get as 1.95 cubic meter. So this is your a dry volume. So this is a dry volume of mortar. So now what we'll do, we will use this dry volume of mortar value to find out what is the volume of cement. So now 1.95 cubic meter is a dry volume of mortar. So using that, we will find out what is the volume of cement. Hence volume of cement is equal to what is the dry volume we got? Dry volume is 1.95 and divided by, we are dividing it by our ratio. What is the ratio we got? See in the question. So now you can see there, that is we are using 12 mm of thickness with 1:6 cement mortar. So that ratio I'm going to add 1 plus 6. So I'm going to get, if I calculate, so I'm going to get 0.28 cubic meter. So this is your volume of cement. But this volume, whenever if I go outside in the market and if I go on asking this in order to purchase this cement, I can't go able to ask even the person who is, I can't go and ask the person to give the 0.28 cubic meter of cement. So for that, the volume, the whatever the cement will be dealt in the form of a bags, right? So therefore in term of bags, how much bags are going to be calculated? So 0.28 divided by 0.034347. If I divide this by this, you're going to get approximately 8 bags. Now you can ask me how we got this value. So this is nothing but mass by density. We have used the formula mass by density. So now what is the mass of the cement? The mass of the cement bag is 50 kg is the bag cement. cement. For one bag we are going to take as 50 kg of cement will be there for one bag. So now what is the density of the cement? Density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. So this is your unit. Now if I go on dividing this, you're going to get as 0.0347 cubic meter, right? This is how you got 0.0347. This value I have divided with this value I have divided by the cubic volume in order to get the bags. So this is how we are going to calculate. Now what we have to find, we got number of volume of cement. Now we have to find out what is the volume of sand. Therefore volume of sand is equal to, what is the ratio they are given? The ratio is how much? What is the ratio they are given? That is 1:6, right? 1:6 is nothing but cement is to sand. 1:6 is nothing but cement is to sand. If one quantity of cement is taken, means you have to take the 6 times of sand. So for that, what I will do, I just directly multiply 6 times of cement. What is the quantity we got? We got as a 0.28 cubic meter. So that multiply by the 6 times, because the ratio is given directly. That value I am following. If I multiply, I am going to get 1.68 cubic meter. Okay, so now this is how you have to calculate the cement value and the sand value. So therefore the sand or a cement, the cement required is almost 8 bags, right? Similarly, sand required is 1.68 cubic meter. 1.68 cubic meter. So this is how we have to find the quantities. Thank you.